Good morning, student. How are you? I was explaining exercise 14.2 division of polynomials. Division of polynomials. Two questions I had already explained. Now see question number 2. In question number 2 given, divide this polynomial means monomial by this monomial. See that 56 x square y cube 56x square y cube divided by minus 8xy square. You know that plus and minus. Answer will be minus. Plus divided by minus. Minus divided by minus, that is plus. Same like you know that operation only addition of integer or rational number and division also. Multiplication means subtraction and division. See that a plus a minus b, it means that a plus minus b, sum of one positive integer with one negative integer. Here if a divided by b, it means that a multiplied by 1 by b, means reciprocal of that. Means in sign you have studied in class 6 integer chapter. Plus minus minus 8 7 ja 56. Now here it is in form of a power m divided by a power n, that is equal to a power m minus n. X power 2, x power 1 means x, y power 3 and y power 2 means 3 minus 2y. That will be your solution of question number 2. Next, question number 4. Even number I am going to explain. Odd number question you have to solve. Question number 4 given. Question number 4. 36 PQR square, 36 PQR square divided by minus 9 PQR, minus 9 PQR. See that 36 PQR square divided by minus 9 PQR. Simple division. PQR. First you divide constant with constant, then variable with variable. See that plus minus minus. 9 4 is 36. P cancel, Q cancel. R to the power R square, here R means only R is remaining. That is question number 4. Now same exercise you can write on your copy. Question number 6. Question number 6, that is given 8 to the power 4, 8 to the power 4 divided by minus 2 under root 2, minus 2 under root 2 a square. See that 8 to the power 4 divided by 2 under root 2 a square, minus plus minus, you know that minus 2 4 ja 8, 4 a power 4 a square, that is a power 4 minus 2 upon under root 2. One more line, minus 4 a square under root 2. Now you rationalize the denominator. How can you rationalize? By multiply with rationalizing factor. Under root 2 are the rationalizing factor of this under root 2. Now minus 4 under root 2 a square upon 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. Your answer is minus 2 under root 2 a square. Never write denominator in irrational form. It should be always rational form. This is question number 6. Now Question number 8. Question number 8 given. Question number 8. Minus x to the power 5 minus x to the power 4 plus x square plus 3. See that 1, 2, 3, 4 term are there. This one. This is multinomial, means we can say that polynomial divided by 3x. 3x by 3x. See that means a plus b divided by 2. It means that a divided by 2 plus b also divided by 2. Follow the same rule. Minus x to the power 5 divided by 3x minus x power 4 also by 3x, x square also by 3x, 3 also by 3x. Now you simplify. x power 4, x cube, x, your answer will be minus x power 4 by 3 minus x to the power 3 by 3 plus x upon 3 plus 3 cancel 1 upon x. That is your solution. That is a solution of division of this polynomial with monomial. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Question number 10. That is given under root 5 q to the power 4 plus 3 under root 5 q square divided by only q square. Follow same rule. You have to follow the same rule. If a plus b plus c divided by 2, it means a divided by 2, b divided by 2 and c divided by 2. Means under root 5 q power 4 by q square plus 3 under root 5 q square divided by q square. What is remaining? Here remaining under root 5 q square, q power 4 q square, remaining q square, a to the power m. A to the power m means 4 divided by a to the power m, a to the power m minus n. 4 minus 2 means 2 plus q square cancel 3 under root 5. That will be your solution, or under root 5 in bracket q square plus 3. Both answer are correct. If you want to write this one, you write, otherwise only under root 5 common I has taken, common factor, because factorization already I had explained. This is question number 10. Now from question number 11, your question is going to be changed. You know that when a dividend, capital D, divided by divisor, it's having some quotient and here will be some remainder. Here will be some remainder. You know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If remainder will be 0, it means D and Q both are the factor of D. Suppose one more relation, if fx any polynomial divided by gx and it exists a quotient qx, then remainder rx. See that if rx will be 0, means either this polynomial qx and gx both are the factor of into, both are the factor of fx. If remainder will be 0, see that one example I am going to explain. Suppose 9 divided by 2, 2 3 is 8, means what is remainder coming? 1. Means 2 and 3, either 3 are the factor or 2 are factor. This means both are not a factor of 9. Suppose if 6 divided by 2, 2 3 is 6, remainder is 0, it means 2 and 3 both are the factors of 6. This is a remainder theorem, but don't use this theorem. Only here, suppose how can you divide a polynomial? Divide by long division method and verify the result by the factor method where possible. See that how can you divide? Question number 11. See given x square plus 6x plus 12 divided by x plus 4. X plus 4. Process is that you first to write the polynomial in decreasing order of the variable. First rule is that you have to write both polynomial means dividend and divisor in decreasing order of the power variable. See, I have written. Now divide first term with first term. X square divided by x. What is remaining? X. Now see simple division. See that 15 divided by 2. 2 7 is 15. 2 7 is 14. 1 is the remainder. Actually, what we are going to write here, that is the product of 7 and 2. 7 multiplied by 2, that we are writing here. Means here we have to write x plus 4 multiplied by x. X plus 4 multiplied by x. What answer will come? X square plus 4x. You have to write that one. X square plus 4x. Now general method subtraction, subtract here. Minus. Plus into minus sign. No use of this sign. Remember that. This one cancel. 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x plus 12. Again same method. First term divided by first term. 2x divided by x. What is remaining? Plus 2 is remaining. See here sign plus. Plus 2. Now multiply plus 2 by this. Plus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. 2x plus 8 is coming. Now your answer 2x plus 8, subtract, cancel, 4 is the remainder, means x plus 2 is not factor. How can verify the result? Very easy method, verification, quotient into divisor. Quotient or divisor into quotient. X plus 4 into x plus 2, multiply, x square 2x plus 4x plus 8. Now x square plus 6x plus 8. Now you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Product of divisor and quotient is x square plus 6x plus 8 and plus remainder is 4. Your answer is x square plus 6x plus 12. Means your division is correct. See, dividend what is given? Here also given. X square plus 6x plus 12. So this is verification. This is the verification. It means x plus 4 is not factor of given polynomial. X plus 4 is not factor of given polynomial because x having some remainder. This is question number 11. Now question number 13. Question number 13. What is given? Just you see. Same method we will use. Question number 13. 13. Yeah. Question number 13. That is given x square plus 7x plus 12 divided by x plus 3. X plus 3. Same method you have to use here. First term divided by first term. X square divided by x. What is remaining? X. X. Now x multiply by this. X square plus 3x. Now you follow the rule, subtract, plus minus minus, cancel. 7x, no use of this sign, minus 3x, 4x plus 12. Again first term divided by first term. 4x divided by x. What is remaining? Plus 4. Plus 4. Multiply by plus 4 in this. Plus 4 multiply by x plus 3. 4x plus 12. 4x plus 12 means, see that when you subtract, remainder is 0. It means that x plus 3 and x plus 4 both are the factor of this polynomial. Okay, if you verify, you can verify, same answer will come. Same. For verification, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder is 0 means x plus 3 and x plus 4 both are the factor of given polynomial. Now similarly, up to question number 16, same question are given. Up to question number 16 means 11 to 16, same question given. See question number 16. 2x cube plus 5x square plus 9x plus 9 divided by 2x cube plus 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Same method you have to follow. First term divided by first term. Here 2x cube, here 2x. 2 cancel, what is remaining? X square. Now multiply by x square with this. X square multiply by 2x plus 3, x having 2x cube plus 3x square. Means 2x cube plus 3x square. Now subtract. When you subtract, minus, cancel. 2x square plus 9x. Again you divide this one. 2x square by 2x. You will get only x. Multiply 2x square plus 2x square plus 3x. Now you subtract 6x plus 9. Again 6x divided by 2x. 2x. First term always divided by first term. 2x. X cancel, 2 3 plus 3. Plus 3. Multiply by plus 3. When you multiply, 3 2 6x plus 3 3 9. See the remainder is 0 means that are also factor of given polynomial. So my dear student, try to solve question number and this method. Some question given in example means example number given here, division of polynomial, example 2, example 3, that you practice. So that will be easy for you because same question you will study in 10th class in factors theorem. Okay, or factorization, division of polynomial by binomial or trinomial. So you practice the question 1 to 16. Thank you. Have a nice day.